In a remote peninsula within Russia, a group of scientists from the Soviet Union dedicated decades to drilling towards the Earth's core. Through layers of rock, they persisted, etching their legacy in the annals of history. Their tireless efforts culminated when, at a depth exceeding 40,000 feet, they achieved an unprecedented feat, the deepest hole ever created on Earth. However, their relentless pursuit of discovery came to a halt when a remarkable revelation altered their course. Amidst their journey to the Earth's center, these intrepid explorers stumbled upon an extraordinary find. Astonishingly, some suggest that our comprehension of outer space now surpasses our understanding of the world beneath our feet. While the space race between the United States and the USSR during the Cold War is well known, the equally captivating race to fathom our subterranean realm, which commenced in the late 1950s, has faded from memory. Competing teams of American and Soviet scientists embarked on a quest to delve as deeply as possible into the Earth's crust. What might appear as mundane soil and stone holds captivating secrets miles below the surface. Extending as far as 30 miles towards the planet's core, the Earth's crust yields to the enigmatic mantle, constituting a significant 40% of Earth's mass. Despite the deepest human-made borehole falling short of reaching the mantle, this limitation didn't deter the audacious scientists of the 1950s. Just as they had propelled satellites into space, they aspired to delve to the Earth's core. Notably, the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik 1 into orbit on October 4, 1957, spurred American scientists into action. The formation of NASA in 1958 aimed not only to close the space gap, but to excel in all scientific domains. Thus, the groundbreaking Project MOA was initiated in 1958, based near Guadalupe, Mexico. Engineers successfully drilled over 600 feet through the Pacific Ocean's bed. Despite initial enthusiasm and a $40 million investment, the project was eventually abandoned. Subsequently, in 1970, Soviet scientists embarked on their endeavor. They began drilling in Russia's remote Pakensky district, aspiring to penetrate the Earth's crust profoundly. By understanding the mantle, they aimed to enhance knowledge about earthquakes, volcanoes, and the planet's overall workings. Their ambition extended beyond the 600-foot mark. They aimed for a depth of approximately 49,000 feet. Equipped with specialized tools, researchers initiated a network of boreholes branching from a central cavity. This principal cavity, known as the Kola Super Deep Borehole, had a mere 9-inch diameter. Using the Ural Mash 4I drilling rig, operations commenced on May 24, 1970. However, even as progress was made, developments were occurring elsewhere. In 1974, the Lone Star Producing Company drilled the Bertha Rogers hole in Oklahoma, reaching over 31,400 feet. This marked the deepest hole on Earth at the time. Yet the Soviet team continued their pursuit, and on June 6, 1979, one of their boreholes, SG-3, set a new record. The Ural Mash 15,000 drilling rig was utilized, with the number signifying their aspiration to reach 15,000 meters deep. Digging directly to the Earth's core, as depicted in cartoons, was unfeasible due to escalating heat closer to the core. This heat posed equipment-threatening challenges. Regardless, by 1983, the SG-3 borehole reached an astounding 39,000 feet into the Earth's crust. Accomplishing this milestone, the scientists suspended their efforts for a year. During this pause, they meticulously evaluated their progress and methodology, readying themselves for the next phase of their remarkable journey. To facilitate visits to the intriguing site, various individuals had the opportunity to experience its wonders. This encompassed delegates from the International Geological Congress, government officials interested in witnessing the actual drilling process, and even the creation of commemorative stamps. However, a technical glitch emerged when the experiment resumed the following year, leading to an abrupt halt in the drilling process. Some theorists suggest that the extended pause might have contributed to this setback. The walls of the borehole had transformed during the hiatus, which led to the drilling equipment becoming stuck and jamming the hole when operations recommenced. Despite the challenges, the researchers did not succumb to defeat. They abandoned the initial borehole and initiated a fresh attempt from a depth of 23,000 feet. In 1989, they achieved a remarkable record, drilling to a depth of 40,230 feet, equivalent to an astounding 7.5 miles. Encouraged by this achievement, those involved held an optimistic outlook, envisioning the borehole reaching beyond 44,000 feet in late 1990 and eventually reaching its target of 49,000 feet as early as 1993. Yet, beneath the remote Russian tundra, unforeseen challenges lay in wait. As the drill approached Earth's center, an unexpected transformation unfolded. For the initial 10,000 feet, the temperatures within the borehole aligned with researchers' projections. However, beyond this depth, the temperature rise accelerated significantly. This escalating heat posed formidable challenges to the machinery. The drill even began to deform due to the extreme conditions, while the borehole's walls became increasingly liquefied, making further drilling complex. One researcher likened this scenario to attempting to create a permanent hole in a bowl of hot soup. The Kola Super Deep Borehole Project, conducted by Soviet scientists from 1970 to 1992, yielded unexpected insights as drilling progressed. The borehole's temperature rose to an astonishing 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than anticipated. The rock at those depths exhibited an unforeseen plastic-like consistency due to its lower density, making drilling exceedingly difficult. Despite extensive drilling, the researchers were forced to conclude their journey to the Earth's center due to the extreme heat and challenging rock conditions. The project was abandoned in 1992, ending a 22-year endeavor. Notably, the researchers made several remarkable discoveries, including well-preserved marine plant fossils at 4 miles deep, defying their estimated age of over 2 billion years. An even more groundbreaking finding was the existence of flowing water miles beneath the Earth's surface, defying prior assumptions and prompting a new theory about its origin due to pressure and impermeable rock layers. At 3.5 miles deep, microscopic plankton fossils were discovered, along with a significant amount of hydrogen gas embedded in the borehole. While the project ended around the Soviet Union's downfall in 1995, and the site is now considered an environmental hazard, remnants of the experiment can be seen in the town of Zapolyani. Despite its closure, the Kola Super Deep Borehole retains its title as Earth's deepest man-made point, while Qatar's Al Shaheen oil well holds the record for the longest borehole. In 2023, a Chinese team began drilling with a depth goal close to that of the Kola borehole, aiming to complete the task within 457 days. Although humanity has yet to reach Earth's core, significant strides have been made in underground exploration. In 2019, an expedition ventured into New Mexico's Carlsbad Caverns, focusing on Lechuguilla Cave, revealing rare minerals and pristine environments, including the enigmatic Lake of Liquid Sky. Globally, other caves have unveiled mysteries like ancient artifacts, cave pearls, and unique creatures. These subterranean wonders continue to captivate explorers, offering glimpses into Earth's hidden realms throughout history. Subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates.